Okay, dear students. So we have completed 2 chapters. That was secretary, and then we saw about the joint stock company. Now we'll see in details about the joint stock company. Joint stock company के details में हम एक पॉइंट अभी देखेंगे. Right? As I told you, we are more concerned with the joint stock company secretary only. So first comes out that how the joint stock company has to be started. Okay. Now when we say joint stock company has to be started, for that first thing requirement what is the first thing required? First thing will be the type of business. Which type of business we have to do. After that, if that business requires what all the things. First it will be finance, paisa. Next, place, जगह, construction, infrastructure, जो जगह बनेगी, machineries. Next, for all things we require the proper money. So proper capital has to be arranged. So that depends on the volume of the business. Now when we say volume of the business is small shop can be opened. जो हमारे यहाँ पे कई दुकान हम देखते हैं कि छोटे मोटे दुकान है, किराने का दुकान, ग्रोसरी शॉप, general store, medical store. These are all small retailing stores. But when it comes to joint stock company, we have seen it requires a huge capital and more number of money and public. So when the matter is big, the requirement will be big. जितना ज्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट होगा उतना ज्यादा हमारे को उसमें लोग भी लगेंगे और उसके लिए ज्यादा फॉर्मेलिटीज भी पूरी करनी पड़ेगी. Which I told you starting that opening and closing of joint stock company takes certain procedure. ये हमने वहाँ रिमोट वर्क कर दिया, नहीं सामान को फटाफट बंद किया. It is not like that. We have to carry on. Okay. So for that reason, the formation of joint stock company, certain steps have to be followed. Okay, what it says, because as a company is a artificial person. Okay, company is a artificial person. So artificial person means the person which is not able to move. It is standstill. वो एक ही जगह पर है. It is doing the work with the help of different hands, directors, managers, secretary, and all. Most of them काम करते हैं. So its existence has come into with the incorporation according to Company Act 2013. Okay, artificial person, it has come into existence as 2013 or before that any other act. Before that any other act. और किसी भी एक्ट से जैसे 1956 का which I told you like that the company is incorporated and it comes into existence and it is continuing. Now formation of company means registration and incorporating of company with the registrar of company. जब कंपनी का फॉर्मेशन की बात आती है तो हम क्या करते हैं? We are incorporating it. Okay, means it is incorporated. It is not just starting. जैसे खाली चालू करके हम लोग ने चालू कर दिया, जैसे स्टार्ट किया, दैट्स डिफरेंट थिंग. इनकॉर्पोरेट किया मतलब इट इज जनरेटेड, इट इज ब्रॉट इनटू एग्जिस्टेंस. जन्म दिया गया है उसको एज अ आर्टिफिशियल पर्सन. तो देयरफॉर बिकॉज़ एज अ फीचर सेज देयर इज सेपरेशन इन द मैनेजमेंट, ओनरशिप एंड द बिजनेस. तो देयरफॉर वी कैन से इट्स एग्जिस्टेंस इट इज इनकॉर्पोरेटेड अकॉर्डिंग टू द एक्ट. द कंपनीज रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिसर इज टू बी लोकेटेड. अब इनकॉर्पोरेशन किया तो उसके लिए उसका रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिसर होना चाहिए. रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस दैट विल बी द ऑफिशियल एड्रेस फॉर द कंपनी. जहां पर कंपनी के हर लेटर हेड पे ये एड्रेस दिया जाएगा. रजिस्टर्ड ऑफिस कहां है? बिकॉज ऑल द करस्पॉन्डेंस विल टेक प्लेस फ्रॉम हियर. ओके, दिस पे द कंपनी स्टार्टेड. नाउ द कंपनी joint stock company we can say it is one, but it is further divided into 3 parts. 3 types. Okay, what are the 3 types? First, we can say first is private, public, and one person company. जो लास्ट लेक्चर में आपको मैंने कुछ एक्सप्लेन किया था या joint stock company में कि it is based on the number of the people involved based on the numbers of the persons in the company. So what it says, private, public and one person company. In short, we can say what I explained you, that private joint stock company, minimum 2 members and maximum 200 members are there. But there should be at least 2 promoters. For this, at least 2 promoters should be there. Right? That is done. And then comes the public. For public, we have to get 7 promoters. And OPC means one person company, only one promoter. That has to be done. Okay? So from this we can say that publicly that 7 promoters, 1 promoter and 2 promoters are required for the formation of joint stock company. Okay? So based on the promotion as per the Company Act 2013, the company based on the numbers will be first private company, 2 promoters will be there, means 2 persons, they are coming together to form the business. Public company, 7 promoters, and OPC, that is 1 person company, that is 1 person promoter is the promoter of this company. This has to be kept in the mind by you. Right? So these are different types of company. Then comes by the we can say capital structure. Capital structure means we can say there are 3 types. We can say the first one is limited by shares. अब इसमें क्या होगा? Limited by shares में the company is limited by shares. They are giving the shares to the public, whether it is irrespective of private or public. Private है या public है, दोनों हो सकते हैं. It is limited by shares. ट्रांसफर ऑफ शेयर्स एक्सप्लेन यू कि ट्रांसफर ऑफ शेयर्स प्राइवेट में आसानी से नहीं होते, पब्लिक में हम आराम से किसी को भी ट्रांसफर करके दे सकते हैं. लेकिन इस दोनों कौन से होंगे? दे आर लिमिटेड बाय शेयर्स. ओके, दे आर गिविंग द शेयर्स टू द पब्लिक. नेक्स्ट इज लिमिटेड बाय गारंटी. Now in this what happened? Limited by guarantee means what? The company's members, what they are doing? They are undertaking, they are giving confidence, they give assurance. वो assurance करेंगे, बताएंगे, guarantee लेंगे कि if there is any debits, if there is any losses, then they will pay up to certain amount of money. Okay, so on the certain amount of money to the assets of the company at the time of winding up means if there is debits and the company is not able to pay, the business is not able to pay, that time these directors are going to pay the money if required. Okay, so that is up to the certain part of in the winding company. Generally, this company what I told you, okay, these are open for the social work, not for the earning of profit. Okay, and the third one is unlimited company. Now this type of company is like a general business partnership where 2-3 persons are there involved. But what will happen? Their liability will be unlimited. Means what will happen? That if a company goes in losses, then the personal property, personal things of the individual will be attached. Okay? Means what we say in joint stock company, what is the main advantage to limited liability? Means what I told you in the case study also, limited liability is a feature that one person doesn't require to pay more amount. It was the example given. So what was the example? That if there is any losses, the person has paid the face value, entire face value of the shares. पूरा face value shares का कितना है, पर शेयर जितने खरीदे हैं उतना ले लिया, उतना पैसा पे किया, तो उसको और एडिशनल मनी नहीं ले सकते हैं. But in case of this, the members liability is unlimited, means personal property will be attached. कंपनी डेबिट्स में गई तो जैसे सोल ट्रेडर और पार्टनरशिप में क्या होता है, जो आपका एग्जाम्पल था कि अगर कोई दुकानदार कंगाल हो गया, he has taken out the big debt, उसके पास भी पैसा नहीं है, तो क्या करते हैं? That person sells the house, property, jewel, gold, whatever is having, and he has to pay the money from that. Okay, so the members are liable to pay the amount of company's debts from their pockets if it is unlimited liability company. Means for that reason, first they have to set up that this company will be under limited liability, and they have to sign the contract that they are agreeing with this company. Okay, got it here? Next, after this comes out the different stages in the formation of company. What is happening means what there are stages. Yes, there are certain stages for the formation of the joint stock company. One by one, we'll see. So and steady we'll process for this. The first is the promotion stage. Stages. The first one is promotion stage. In this stages, different things have to be done. Different matters comes out. After the promotion comes the incorporation. Incorporation of company, and last one is the commencement of business certificate. Okay, these are the three stages we have to learn. First is the promotion stage, second is the incorporation, and third is commencement of business stage. Now let's say what is this? Because what happens when someone gets an idea? कोई दिमाग में कोई नया कंपनी चालू करने का आइडिया किसी के पास आया, तो प्रमोशन स्टेज में क्या होगा? सबसे पहला द पीपल विल कम टुगेदर, दे विल कम टुगेदर टू फॉर्म द कंपनी, एनी लीगल बिजनेस, कोई भी लीगल बिजनेस करने के लिए वो लोग आगे आ रहे हैं, एनी लॉफुल बिजनेस. In promotion stage, and second point coming is there is the number of people, which now I explain you at 2, 7 and 1. Number of people, 2 private, 7 public, and 1 for OPC, that is 1 person company. Okay, so for this way, here we can say that extra people will come together, they will come together to form, and under section we can say section 3(1) of Company Act 2013. Now all the promoters, they have to sign the documents. Which documents? The promoters have to sign the documents, Memorandum of Association and Article of Association. Then only they become the member. ये दो डॉक्यूमेंट्स बनाए जाएंगे, तो उनमें से इनको मेमोरेंडम को, आर्टिकल को they have to subscribe and they have to sign on this. The promoters must comply with all the Company Act 2014. जो उनको बताया गया है कि आपको क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. Okay, that Company Act, what it says, that they have to follow it properly. Okay, this thing. Okay, what way? Now, hope till now you have got this. Okay, different stages in the formation of companies like this. Next comes the promotion stage. तो promotion stage में जब हम लोग ये तीनों चीजें फॉलो हो जाती है perfectly, then we have to say one by one what exactly the promotion of the company takes place after the different steps are taken by the promoters. Promoters ने अलग-अलग स्टेप उठाए, कंपनी एक्ट करेंगे इस हिसाब से, and it is taking place. Okay, so who are the promoters? Promoters are the people who take interest to start the company. They conceive the idea. पहला उनको आइडिया आया, फिर उन लोगों ने कुछ मैटर कलेक्ट किया, कुछ लोगों को इनवाइट किया और कुछ डॉक्यूमेंट्स बनाने शुरू किए. So they are the people who undertake the process for promotion of the company. Those people are called as the promoters. कंपनी चालू करने के लिए उन लोगों ने इनिशिएटिव लिया. Okay, so Company Act 269 Company Act says who has been named in the prospectus. जिसको भी नाम prospectus में दिया गया है. What meaning of prospectus? You all know कि आप जब भी कहीं जाओगे या कॉलेज का मिला रहेगा कि what when it started, what we are doing. So in this details, prospectus details are given of the company, that what will be the incorporation, what will be the capital, what work we are doing, और कौन-कौन से हम लोग काम करने वाले हैं. Okay, so identify by the company in the annual return. Okay, then next point is the one who has a control on the company. कंपनी के पूरा फॉर्मेशन पे कंट्रोल उनका रहेगा, डायरेक्टली और इनडायरेक्टली, whether they are shareholder or director anything else. आमतौर पे ये लोग डायरेक्टर भी बनते हैं. फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर्स आर प्रोमोटर्स, या शेयर्स उनके पास रहेंगे, दे विल बी देयर. हाँ, इसके अंदर प्रोमोटर में क्या होगा? इन अकॉर्डिंग विद द एडवाइस ऑफ द डायरेक्टर्स, directions and instructions, the board of directors are accustomed to act. Means what happen? Board of directors रहेंगे, डायरेक्टर्स रहेंगे, वो पूरा एडवाइस बनाया जाएगा, उनको दिया जाएगा. अब इसके अंदर एक क्लॉज याद रखना है, एडवाइस देने वाले लॉयर वगैरह कोई भी हैं तो वो लोग promoters नहीं है, they are just helping them, they will be paid for that. Promoters are the people who are taking the interest, who sign the documents, memorandum article, their names are included in the prospectus. Okay, identified by the company in the annual return. Now they have the control as a director or as a shareholder, directly or indirectly, and they are the people accustomed with the whose advice, direction, and instructions the board of directors have to follow. Okay, got it clear? And the lawyer, CA or any advisor, they will not be the member, promoters, they will be only guiders, they will be paid for that. उसके लिए उनको खर्चा दिया जाए. Okay, till here your promotion, what is meaning of promotion stage and promoters, understood? Next time we'll see what are the role of the promoters. Okay, thank you.